Hello, I'm going to show you how to pronounce the Greek vowels today quickly. And before I start, just keep in mind that for every Greek letter, you need to learn just one sound. So there's one sound to learn for each Greek letter, and always use that sound. There's just one exception to that, which we'll learn some other time. Okay, so first of all, I want to start with three vowels: alpha, iota, and upsilon. This is alpha A, iota E, and upsilon U. So A, E, U. Now you'll see in the book that there's a long and a short version of each of these letters, but you can ignore that for pronunciation. Just learn one sound: A, E, U. Make it simple. Okay, next there are two vowels that I want to look at: epsilon and omicron. These two are always short. There's just one version, they're always short. This is E, this is O. Epsilon, E, omicron, O. And then there are two other vowels, eta and omega. These two vowels are always long. So just one version, always long. And eta is the long version of epsilon. Omega is the long version of omicron. Okay, so eta is pronounced A, eta, A, and omega, O. So just to go over the vowels we've seen so far: A, E, U, E, O, A, O. Okay, next we also need to be able to pronounce diphthongs. A diphthong means two vowels pronounced together as one sound. And with Greek, all you have to do is add the two sounds and they make the diphthong. So if you take alpha and add iota, we get I. So notice how it goes: A, E, I. Just pronounce the two sounds quickly: A, E, I. And then all the diphthongs are like that. You can take alpha and add upsilon and we get ow, right? A, u, ow. Just if you sound it out, it'll make sense to you. And then we can take epsilon and add iota and we get a. So e, e, a. And we can also take epsilon and add upsilon and we get eu. E, u, eu. So just pronounce the two sounds quickly, one after another. We can also take omicron and add iota, and we get oi. And notice the sound. It's o, e, oi. And we can also take omicron and add upsilon. Now in this case, we really just pronounce this ou as an u sound, just like the upsilon. So you can actually kind of just forget about pronouncing the two sounds here. Just pronounce, whenever you see this, just pronounce it just like you would an upsilon, u. And then finally, you can take an upsilon and add a iota to it, and you get wi, u, I, wi. So that's that diphthong. So look at these diphthongs. Just to do them one more time: I, ow, a, ew, oi, u, wi. And then there's one last thing. There are diphthongs called long diphthongs. So if we take the long vowel, say a long alpha, and we add a iota to it, the iota actually goes underneath, and it's called a iota subscript. And you can do the same thing with omega, and you add the iota, but you add it underneath. And then also with eta, and you add the iota underneath in this little notch here in the eta. So these are long diphthongs, or they're also called improper diphthongs, where you have a long vowel and the iota then goes underneath. And in all of these cases, you don't pronounce the iota. Just forget about the iota for pronunciation. Just pronounce these just like the vowels. So this will be A, O, A. Now that iota is important for something that we're going to learn elsewhere, but for pronunciation, A, O, A. Just ignore the iota subscript for pronunciation. Okay, that's it for this lesson.